How to hack Kingshot. I'm going to tell you what you need to know about hacking Kingshot. You'll find a lot of sketchy sites on YouTube videos promising unlimited gems or mod APKs for Kingshot, but almost all of them either don't work or are loaded with malware. Even if you do find a modded version, using it can get your account permanently banned since the game has server side tracking. And if you log in with Facebook, Google, or Apple, you're risking more than just your game progress. Plus, downloading those unauthorized APKs often asks you for weird permissions that can compromise your phone or PC. So, yeah, technically, some people try it using modified emulators or scripts, but most get caught or scammed in the process. If you really like the game, your best bet is to play legit and maximize daily rewards, events, and missions.